Before processing each payroll run, you will need to retrieve the latest Revenue Payroll Notifications, or RPNs, for your employees from Revenue, to ensure the most up-to-date tax credits and cut-off points are applied to their pay. The RPNs will also automatically update the revenue details section of each relevant employee. Each pay period, you will be given a prompt within your Payroll tab to retrieve the latest RPNs and update your employees. Select Update Employees on the menu toolbar. Next, click Check for and Retrieve RPNs now. BrightPay will automatically connect to revenue systems and retrieve all available RPNs. It will then match current employee data with the information within these RPNs. If BrightPay detects any differences between existing employee files and their latest RPN, you will be notified within the Updates section. Simply click Apply Selected Updates to apply the correct values to these employees going forward. If the RPN contains new employees which cannot be matched to an employee record within BrightPay, this will be brought to your attention within the To Be Added section. Click Add Selected Employees to create a new employee record for each applicable employee. Please note that setting up employee records in this manner only brings in the information that is included in the RPN, for example the employee's name, PPS number and revenue details. Your employees with data matching the RPN will be shown in the Up to Date section, and no further action is currently needed for these employees. Once all necessary updates have been applied, close out of the RPN utility to commence processing your periodic payroll.